I was on the hunt for a good donut, so I asked around.
Randy's Donuts?
Sounds good. Enjoying this fruit and are about to check out Randy's Donuts. We're here at the world famous Randy's Donuts in Inglewood, about to get us some crumb cake and some donuts. Another satisfied customer at Randy's.
The original Randy's Donuts, located in Inglewood, is one of the most iconic donut shops in the world. This landmark building with a giant donut on its roof has appeared in movies, television shows, and countless Instagram feeds, and was even visited by Anthony Bourdain. But this is 2020, and with face masks and social distancing, you've never seen Randy's like this before.
One Fruit Loops rated. Thank you.
Have a good day.
About to take a bite out of world famous Randy's Donuts. Got a little pink ray sprinkles. Whoa. Wow. I can see why they're world famous. It's delicious.
Oh, by the way, my name is Joseph Zender, and I'm your host here at Captivating California. Ciao, baby.